Abribia eya na ye ka say music is the food for the soul. Not just enum eya dia ehia ewo abrabom enu nti ya de Jennifer na watwe yakwa twen ye papa kese bia oni de otun se opia na chese ehia se wo se opie ena ye de no eba dwumadi so na ansa na ye beda na di no ye beda aboafo ase so mo so ya se na watwe bia yetimi de Jenny Pro ewo Adum TV so AM sponsors Time Herbal Mixture, Give Us Clean Care, Lip Tomato Paste, Ninya Dia Herbal Mixture for, and also Masina Medijumadi April. And next year, Cass Enum, Eye, Edriania, Yadima, or Krana Nasa Commandia, not just a music, Ehia, Ewa Brabomupa. Ehia saying, Obitimiti and Yom Nana Re Achitchery, Obitimiti and Yom Na, when ye need Jenny any dasubi, and Wintia and Yum Wohi, Ehia Pa, na Ehia no near one penny phobia, almost so a ya chedia or trading upon the Mawomo, say or Monfambriasi, na intime and Chichiri and the Accra, eti and ne and ray, Yenya or penny ya papa as though. E will fear her see and any better chin come e would the Jenny so papa aquaba. Ansana ye best start bibia enumbi eyeme de pa si yo maba yo pacho mami free stack kra na the Jenny ahwefo answer ye best start bibia.
Hey maba who maba hey maba ex Doe aba hey maba oh mabanti munjane nkote.
Also meaning word to word. Enyumwe is one of Onyuma as shining to the whole world. What your inspiration way?
Well, I knew where they made me make an inspiration. If Chicago.
Okay. Okay.
Inspiration if Chicago because I mean so one or two misunderstandings.
Now it's a beef.
I saw friendly beef.
They say friendly beef.
I don't see now as I know to for me a boxer. I come to torture there. Trading near Gumenu. And I was say, me throw punches, you know. Na Bano be who say the Dama Kumas from the Iron. Even with that one, you have to be creative to do it. Send a bear and look too raw.
Nan, yes, a buyer, I trim, baby, and your ma,
the beer, I'm for meeting it.
Eti beef, no, not a said, dear buffo, Eddie, no monobaya, I and Desana, etimi, I hate a sana. I
said, ye never fool near the Troy, but ye before the toy, or near the toy,
not a toy.
Name fan Kamasem. Will be able for or rights or be cannibals was it. Ye but quite a fast work can any bejiwa too. So they are mature. It's no Saquine or Quan Panasona fire. Me, yeah, and you may almost 21 years. Yeah.
Wow. And you won't put 21. Not just you being in the industry, idiot.
Yeah, of course, we have my second album.
Wow.
First album, yeah. 96.
Okay.
96.
Okay. It's not more your group.
No, near your group.
When your group, if you channel.
Those days, you know, you say, oh, feature will be an your common.
Okay.
Now, you will be pro feature will be. We will be to my you who send me a group.
I feel a numana any abani na bani ye who sani mano.
Say your feature on in your
okay.
Into no a feature na me feature.
Okay. So how many years pa? And I can say as a musician.
Professionally there from 96.
96, okay.
To 2022.
So how many enyum and a woho?
Oh, enyum
to your credits. Wow.
But I have 5 albums to my credit.
Wow. So you ka enyum to 4 akuku dan wa Ghana. Yentime mbo enja wo na eba ne sen wa kontuo no the music journey no started saying
I didn't even know per se me ba be star.
Wow.
I was just doing what I love to do.
What you love to do. So it's the passion.
It's the passion from childhood.
The drive you.
From childhood. Primary school, drama and your mama. I am a attention. I am a be attention from Qualabrim and Antino. We go say boys your group will be doing Kolan group kana me Jimmy yesterday. So now it be yemi. Omo be yemi.
So say they be all noticed.
Every time be I was saying mama sua be brave. It be as a boxing ya me sua be da ball cry me boy cry no. But me area of footballers players kakese me area how dey me bobo how dey am bon. But say me feel area ni mu dey me best player somewhere. Well, but along the line no and I get to know say, oh, okay, passion were more into entertainment. And if it's entertainment, the the passion drives more with music.
And you to for bebre and a abba near Becca Samuna Mababo Quino and a Emranti and Mabawa or Mwaba or more enjoy in the music industry. The way our industry in a trend in air corner. And when it comes to Sika, someone in Yamano, only some more time, no. Now it was just the show.
You see, you cannot compare our time to this time.
Okay.
Things have changed. Time I started, we were making sure, say, and yet now it's more like a revolution because by now you know Abena Ghana. Now a foreign songs from Kwanyeti in terms of this urban rap singing, urban beats, now you bono. Hiplife, and it's a nebini. The buy a better high life. High life never to a better bugger high life.
Okay.
Bugger high life and I dominating more. Ghana. But near by no, not adding. Say you did rap we cry and I say urban style of music. A bit rim.
Okay.
To extent say, almost banner crash say banner on radio. We shouldn't play that because around that time, they think say rap music is more for violence and for street and Kobolo boys and stuff like that. So they didn't want to accept it.
Accept it to the society.
Some of us, we took the stance to fight more to push the agenda. Say, at least I will say, you born radio so. At least I will say, you baby, I born for baby. And then you mentioned in charge. Now you did your media. I to say, Abena Ghana. Never fire no more be sooner. Abba. So we made all the mistakes we supposed to make for this new generation.
Yeah.
So they make sure no. Nyoma bebre and we sacrifice to make it happen.
Happy for them now.
Now.
Yeah.
So they make sure no. A bit say show po ye kobo show po sometimes po no promoter po abe frɛ na mo kobo show no. Me particularly in some of my crews we don't really think about the promoter himself. They think more about is the fans.
The fans, how to entertain them.
How to entertain them to leave that mark in that town.
Wow.
So they made sure
yes, like you say, it was massive. It was, you know, that so kind of thing.
That was the thing. That was the tool na you use more. So we were not really thinking about money.
Yeah.
Of course, so soldier for they think first about the country before
not,
they pay.
Yes, and not even on some life. Because they need to protect. Or no moment you're or you're okay. Yeah.
So pepe na yen so. Na because me call baby go to me say promoter be fa work go show no but later stories. And so no, oh my, you just move.
You just move.
Continue moving to make sure say you will leave that name which is Ex Doe and the Hiplife Ghana to all the four corners of the country.
Wow.
There was no social media.
Wow.
Radio stations were like 2 or 3 pay.
Very, it's not even easy.
So they were channel.
Yeah.
And we have to be so good to extend that GBC can even show your stuff.
So you're good because those days is not like now.
Of course. In 1997 I was interviewed on BBC. You know, that time, those time.
Easy.
Tia Bray, Yan Shesika, and you say Abia, Yan Sikan, Yan Shesu.
No, that you know, it's good that you are giving all these instances.
Yan Shesika.
Yeah.
They share and say, been making sure say act, no, act, and Kasabi stay.
It was just for the zeal of the work.
The work.
Yeah.
It got to a point now, me can't interview, I call Radio Good. Interview now, I call and me penny Hiplife artist.
Wow.
Yeah. Chasamwa, JW Ambule, Sleepy My Jenfi, and Pedu, and some couple of legends. Wow. That round table, no more making sure say you better banner Hiplife.
Hey.
And I have to defend
and
defend the genre. Say rap and Hiplife na ye dey banner. Inya the bonnet. I'm say be ye nkwala bonnet same. I'm saying inya the bonnet. Rap itself na start in Africa. Yeah, Ghana for na say yeah. Ghana dear, and ya dear be different place. Ghana dear, and you know, Omomotion, Omon say Omumba. Every school, maybe Omunya, Jumaya, no more talent to be any chronom boy.
Yeah,
and ya am robbery be no coye, and I be bonny be name Omo entertain
Nipadi
for Nanko for to Amocano. I think there's nothing wrong with that. And I'm so no, your general now, your Kutani, high life, and I then I'm with the rap, you know, foreign. And I'm saying no. And you're foreign, so I have to prove an example. To be Momo Bobby to be or Sobro Chef and Sabe Pabubu. The chum said rap is a whole genre on its own. Rap is a whole genre on its own because you can put rap on Hiplife beat, hip hop beat, reggae beat, gospel,
Baby obeko.
cools, everything rap can sing on it. Into rap here, idea is it's not just singing or be limited, but rap music can even rap an orchestra.
Wow.
Yeah, of course, nice orchestra rhythm can give you a platform a bit me rapping. Into one I'm the example me the a new comfort me ne pabubu. Yeah, and my rich to be catch say most of even their high life now are old in the crown. We can still do remix with the rap and
make
still
it out
come
there.
back again
Come
and
back
people
here.
will love it. So it's not like forget it. Hiplife and high life near Kofawi.
Wow.
But it's another genre. Ebeka Hiplife no high life no one. A bit me ama Ghana and we are seeing Hayati enka.
You share baby odi free ni how I was starting. We've been hearing some people will be a friend of a rap king or be so you say. Would be a who saying?
Yeah, oh, and I'm traveling.
Where do you be trying? I send me there. Now you're cheers and ankasa to wait now. The mood because of how I won't say be more come wait me a king. Nam de ba ye we say me na me say
just normal. As rappers we brag a lot. Rapper bia no you brag a lot.
Ejine hudi.
Well, your time na you brag, na you real. But as time goes on, it became part of the job, and time for started bragging with it.
Okay.
First, you know, what you talk, got to be what you do.
Okay.
Because now rap, you know, we leave it with hip hop, and hip hop is a whole culture. I will believe that lifestyle.
So if you talk, you need to prove it.
You need to prove it.
Yeah.
So they are mature, but now saying I be bragging.
Kasankwa.
I kasa, which is nice. I mean, at least people brag a little bit to me, cause or no, or you're debeng, or no, you're bunny 2 hours, and penetrate. Also punchline, bullet to fire me and penetrate. As what it to know that. Or to say to pipe. Hey. What treat was it over? Hey, boss.
I grant a media, me near draw.
It is always part of it. Bragging again. So I will be better make a soy or sacrum president.
Okay.
Sir, Obika or sacrum president. Shout out to Reggie Rockstone.
Okay.
Okay, or sacrum president, you know. Or Tiakra, but so you're sacrum president.
Okay.
No, be so by no so from president, so I want to resident.
Next, all the president want to Kumasi.
Kumasi.
Yeah, it's Kumasi Neyaji.
I was say,
Morabi.
I was so bit to say, if I say Lord Kenya, and I chame mono bit me akaso mo ye sacrum president because I know Tiakra here. Oh, I can't do it. And they also claim me Accra, no so because Accra president cry na bia. People will just understand.
But and when you do?
But
the Accra president.
I don't know.
Sacrum president. No, the way or no. Arriving. Eh.
You know, but along the line, also a true loose punch. And I'm so and I'm so no, it's a loose punch.
And so, reply.
I was so reply.
How was it?
That was what I just told you. From president, so I went to resident. One time I went to internet. Hey, my ba, Ex Doe, no punching or horn straight. So they be sure no. I know a lyrical way.
Battle. Yeah.
So they be sure but so people can or you sing or to sing. And I say battle and if you are done now with Jenny Pano,
the person
no, and I 39 no Apache and I name that Sanyo money it's not. I don't know what could below the belt in the Nyoma you use ethics near you when it comes to rapping. You've gone below it.
What free more? Yes, sir, now we're free more. You try your hunka jinkra to your bar and come on it to us. Yakwaji and Quarto about Uguswa, if you Jenny or Adum TV, and I'm a guest, Ex Doe, and ODF for rap. In Tianedi, ye be rapufia, it's also gibbering. Let's see, Pomono. Papa, a hifana fee, family of the young queen, no man, your home, oh, Bridgema, but yeah, per se, young homo kakra, the journey of your life so far.
Me papa ye kra pimni ofi okre enya akode okre apredi we kra prim okre district after Dukro we call apredi yes ono mo odu ono ma o se o hwefie friend enya akode ye na kro ni ye dia
ya chia mu nyina enya akode
and my mom is Asante from Asante Achim of Once. I'm the 11th born from 12 children.
Oh, my mama and me.
Hey, yo, we didn't hear why didn't cheer crashes, but I'm a funny crazy. Both my parents are no more. May their soul rest in peace for bringing such people into the world. Into the easy. Yeah, growing up wasn't too bad. It wasn't too good. Honey rough and smooth. Me was Carnation.
Okay.
I was cry. And my first album was Carnation. Along the line, and me migrated from Carnation to Dansuman. Yes. DC. That's where I migrated to. Before I was Carnation, I play around DC.
Okay.
A lot. Most of my most of my friends are in DC, so I'm always in DC. So when I'm a movie called DC, and I'm calling the rest of my albums in DC. Then to DC, I'm up to now. Even though still me with DC, but me need DC. The reason why they say, CC DC, I'm to rent. CC, baby, I'm to rent. Me rent to phone. Oh, yeah, then I say, and but still my heart is in DC. I do my everything in DC. But shout out to where my residence is, which is Ablikuma. Big up to all my Ablikuma fans. You know what I mean?
Yeah, and for me, music in Kwa, who out me baby come. But Jenny, it got to a time I said, oh, person on post music now, page maybe, and I said it was just music throughout.
Yeah, I tried my best to do other things. I did some other things.
Okay,
you know what I mean? I was doing so many things. As a boy, there.
You need to hustle.
You need to hustle. You know what I mean? Now, me kotena broche kakra na broche na me kotena so no so man break kakra be mu. Te me ba Ghana no na nyoma a bit different. So now nyoma different. So I needed to me try some rush back, but it wasn't working. So now I decided to take it easy. Then that time I wasn't doing too many music. Okay. But I was training and rehearsing much until say they're starting other businesses count, and people realize say me entertainer. Okay. So I started hosting shows.
Oh, good.
I became an MC.
Oh, okay.
So I host a lot of shows, which I am still an MC. If you're doing a birthday party, wedding reception, all those things, I host it. So now Ohonema me Queens Kakra, I support it, and maybe take band. So my hustle all is around entertainment, it's around my field.
Nothing aside. And you're so good with it. Yeah. Recently, Michelle, one of the platform, it was massive.
Yeah, thank you. Yeah, time no. Unya demumba embechere producer. At once na you can say oh, upeso be a producer. At once na was so creative bibi na nipa ni so ampa. Odoko studio a ubetimi.
When say ya hustle pa. And yeah, me so me try me ho the journey for your hustle work baton ade ye ba. Ya kwaji enkrato aba ogusua ehwe the journey e Adum TV. Me guest Ex Doe ene ye twetwe komo. Enche bia de dwumadi no e be bari na nsa na obekọ no. And them ranty and mabawa obi a person ye famous. E dey na abeka try about being a star or a public figure.
When you put it in your mind that you want to become famous. You lose focus.
Okay, I get it to you.
Yes.
Okay.
When you want to become popular and you think that you are doing things to become popular, you lose focus. Yes. But I think what you need to do is to focus. Whatever you are doing, make sure say you put extra time and extra work and effort to it. And no na obey amount for any beba also. Nowadays, people are recognized through insults. People are recognized through nudity. People are recognized due stupidity. People are recognized due silicone breast and
so what are you being recognized
so to upeso star, the upeso star no. You serious one. So no for na be ya koye na nya kese big. Na nche otoswa ye na nya big. Munye kete obey yes why you na wanonya gbaga. To become a star, me like I said, na me nimpo say me ba be a star. But I was just loving what I was doing. I think, sir, you have to always focus and don't stop. until you stop.
Always focus, don't stop until you stop, until you are done.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's it. You need to say, you know, what Hanansa now, you will actually have a fair at the mount.
Oh,
so thank you so much.
Wow.
For coming. So
Wow.
so much for coming.
Wow.
I feel so.
I'm honored.
Yeah, the Jenny Fossey and Fama now,
Wow. That's it.
Yes, yeah, that's so bad. And the many AG or having this also with you. You've really enjoyed the show. Now you catch us. The Jenny dear, your Bassi a barber inspire. Now Yama Obibia only need a sword and your beer who say, if there is life, there is hope. Now see, don't stop until your words.
You stop.
You stop. And it's very deep into a dream. Don't stop until you stop. Aha, and I remember me, did you make a studio share my smarty, a Ella Caddy, and now Matari for ages, that's all. I said, Uncle, a buffoni now, Master Yasana, what tribute me at the bro. Me team, me crew, Obibia or boy, my season 7 echo Yami ain't shramo. Assemble Kuna Debia me come see Yami Woma, a bay ye. Midi Eddie Abena Ghana. Abuna for a good year. Welcome to